All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the world of cloud computing. Today, I'm going to break down the big three players, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. First up, AWS, launched by Amazon in 2006, AWS is the most mature and widely adopted cloud platform. It boasts a vast array of services, from computing power and storage to AI and machine learning. If you're a business looking for reliability and a broad service portfolio, AWS is your go-to. Next, we have Microsoft Azure. Azure seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft services like Office 365 and Windows Server, making it a top choice for enterprises already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. It also offers robust support for hybrid cloud scenarios, which is a big plus for businesses transitioning to the cloud. Lastly, Google Cloud Platform. Known for its data analytics and machine learning capabilities, Google Cloud is perfect for businesses that need powerful tools for big data. Plus, it's backed by Google's cutting-edge infrastructure, ensuring high performance and security. Now let's talk best practices. First, always design for scalability. Cloud platforms offer on-demand resources, so build your applications to take advantage of that flexibility. Second, prioritize security. Use encryption, strong access controls, and regular audits to protect your data. Third, monitor and optimize costs. Each platform offers tools to track usage and spending, so use them to avoid surprises on your bill. So, why should you or your business consider cloud computing? For one, it offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Need more storage, more computing power? Just a few clicks and you're set. It also reduces upfront costs. Instead of investing in expensive hardware, you pay for what you use. Plus, cloud platforms provide robust disaster recovery options, ensuring your data is safe even if something goes wrong. In conclusion, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud each have their strengths. The best choice depends on your specific needs and existing ecosystem. Embrace the cloud to unlock new levels of efficiency, cost savings, and innovation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Smart Start tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world.